Okay, go ahead.
Fire in the hole!
You ready? Is it filming? Video? Ready to go. Here we go.
Oh, you gotta check this out. Whoa, that was pretty close.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the hope of the
Revolutions are not instigated, they are provoked, okay? And I will not bow the knee to Caesar. I will never buckle. I will never kiss their ring. And there are thousands more that will die, not for me, but for the principle. Because to violate that principle is to violate every one of us.
All right, we're going for another.
You're going to get what's coming. If I have to spend the rest of my life, you will get what's coming. It's everything I can do not to lose my temper. It's everything I can do not to lose my Christian testimony. And if I have to spend every single penny I got, and if I have to spend every ounce of energy I got from the time I wake up till the time I go to bed, justice, justice, judgment, justice is coming.